Hey, it's Rhonda Brozowick here today. How's everybody doing? Start of this great week. I wanted to come in and show you a quick tip. It's going to be a short video, but I am all about repurposing content. And I've showed you guys a few ways to repurpose content and in the past, but I just learned of something new, and it's also a great way to schedule content. So if you're a person that likes to repurpose and schedule ahead of time so you don't have to be stuck on your phone if you're going away, or you just like to plan out your week, or you're on vacation and you want to schedule things ahead of time, this is a free way for you guys to use. So right now I'm on my TikTok. So what I'm going to purposely be talking about, since this is something new, is a way for you to take your TikTok videos, download them. I'm going to show you a free tool to download those on your desktop, and then also a free content scheduler. So this is very handy if you want to repurpose your TikTok videos to maybe Pinterest, or especially to YouTube Shorts, which is huge because you can't schedule them on YouTube. So I'm just going to show you right now. I am here on my TikTok account. So how do you do this? You're going to click on a video that you want to use, okay? And then you're just going to hit copy link. Right here, it's very easy to get the link for your videos, okay? So now I'm going to come to this site. This is called snaptik.app, okay? This is a free TikTok video downloader. So all you're going to do is paste here, and you're going to download, and it's going to download your TikTok to wherever you want it saved on your device, okay? So I'm not going to go through this because I really want this to be a simple video, but this is exactly how easy it is. So you're going to download into your video. Now, the next app that I'm going to show you that is also free to use is called Metricool. So Metricool.com. You're going to come on here and you're going to set up a free account. It literally took me 30 seconds to set up a free account. And as you can see, obviously there is a premium account, but you do not need that, okay, unless you're somebody that has multiple brands that you are operating. Just going to sign up for this free account, which is exactly what I did. I just started this, so you can see I already have connected my TikTok account, my Pinterest account, and my YouTube account. So this way I can come in here and I can schedule and plan ahead. If I have different things that I want to plan and schedule, you can hook up Instagram, you connect your Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitch. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of different things here that you can add on, and I probably will add some more into this later, but this is just for purpose for this video. So now you're going to come up to the top, and here's a planning, okay, right here. You're going to click on planning. And this is where you are going to go. Don't know why I did that. Sorry about that. But here we go. So this is where you're going to go to create a new post. So as you can see, you're just going to click here, create a new post. You're going to go through the steps and you're going to schedule it for whatever days you want. You can, here's the day, week, and month that you can pre-schedule your content for. So no matter how far ahead you want to plan, this app comes in handy for that. And like I said, it is a free content planner, and it is completely free to use, and it's very simple, super easy to set up. I just learned about it, and I already set up 3 of my accounts, and I will be scheduling things out. So I hope you found this useful. If you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel. I do have a Facebook group where I also teach things in a little bit more detail. I will put the link below this video if you want to join us there. That is a free group also. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great day.